see this one, we are supposed to find the rank of this. Again, I'll use the echelon form only. I'll use elementary transformations and then convert it to echelon form. Okay, so if you observe this, you can directly see that the last row is equal to the sum of three rows. If you sum up these three elements, you are going to get this. If you sum up these three, you are going to get this. So from that observation, I did this transformation. So what is that? R4 is replaced with R4 minus addition of all these threes, which is nothing but from R4 I am going to subtract all these three rows. Then I got this all zeros here, right? And then it is we cannot directly declare that it is in echelon form. We might even try doing something more. So here R2, see here I want to make this one as 0 and this one as 0. That is why R2 is replaced with R2 minus 2R1 and R3 is replaced with R3 minus 3R1. Then I am going to make these two elements 0, and luckily we got this element also as 0. But this is still not in echelon form. So in echelon form, what is it? The number of zeros between the first non-zero element should keep on increasing, but here the number of zeros here are 2, but here there is only 1. So for that reason I'll exchange these two rows. So once I exchange those two rows, I got it in echelon form, because all the elements in the last row are zeros and here they are increasing. See, it need not be always the case that all the elements in the last row should be 0. Here it so happened, we need not always have this row. Even if there is the last row is not present, then also we can call the remaining as in echelon form. The reason is the number of non-zeros are increasing. So if you observe the rules, if any row is having all zeros, then it should be present at the end. If any row is having all zeros, it is not mandatory that there should be a row we should have all zeros. It is not the rule. Okay, so now observe this. It is in echelon form and the number of non-zero rows are 3, therefore rank is 3. Even if you want to see it, check this one. There is a submatrix of size 3 by 3 whose determinant is not equal to 0. How can we say that determinant of this one is not equal to 0? Because determinant of this one is nothing but product of the diagonal element, since it is a lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix, right? Elements below the diagonal are zeros. So we got a triangular matrix, and from that we are able to say that the rank is 0. The rank cannot be 4 because if you observe this, this is the reason. The rank cannot be 4 because no 4 by 4 matrix will have a determinant not equal to 0. All the 4 by 4 matrices, in fact if there is only one, its determinant is 0. So we can only say till here. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.